Hello, we are Team Ecobin.
My name is Nan.
My name is Tisha.
My name is Kin.
And my name is Nunia.
Today, we are at one of Thailand's most popular markets. Street food is really at the heart of Thailand's food scenery. But behind every sizzling wok lies a simple, often overlooked ingredient: cooking oil. In Thailand alone, over 150 million liters of used cooking oil are generated each year. And much is disposed incorrectly, resulting in clogged drains, soil damage, and toxic air. And just 1 gallon of oil can contaminate up to 1 million gallons of fresh water. So the question is, how can something so essential in our lives coexist with the environment we depend on?
This is where Ecobin comes in. Ecobin is an AI-powered smart recycling system for used cooking oil. Our goal is to collect, classify, and recycle oil by connecting households and local vendors to recycling partners, supporting SDG 12. This is a flowchart of how Ecobin works. Users bring their used cooking oil to our kiosks. They validate their account and pour the oil into the system. A camera captures that input using our Raspberry Pi 5, and our AI classification model verifies whether it's actually oil or not. If valid, the system directs it to the oil container. If not, it is separated and the user is notified. Then all valid deposits are logged into our app and our cloud database, allowing the user to track activity, rewards, and nearby stations on their app. Finally, the collected oil is sent to recycling partners and converted into biodiesel and other sustainable fuels. For our AI model, we train a YOLO V11 classification model on 1,162 curated images, enhanced with data augmentation to improve robustness. Our final model achieved 99.6% accuracy and 99.5% precision, ensuring highly reliable oil validation. Here is a demonstration at the kiosk. Users pour their oil into the bin, the AI checks it whether the input is oil or not and stores the oil. Each deposit is then automatically logged into our app.
Users begin by logging in. Upon entry, the home dashboard provides a real-time overview of the user's accumulated points. These points are updated to the back-end database integration. The platform also features a map, enabling users to identify nearby Ecobin units, deployed in high-density areas to maximize accessibility. In addition, users can monitor their own Ecobin activity through live data feeds linked directly to the hardware system. To support user education, the app also integrates articles such as explaining proper oil disposal methods. Finally, a progress tracking system with a point-based incentive model is implemented to encourage consistent user participation. User activity frequency is also recorded and displayed.
Usually in all our restaurants, we fill up about 10 containers per week. Each container can contain around 13 liters of used oil. I think the app will be very good because right now with all our restaurant location, each location will need to deal individually. In terms of payments and collections, it's per restaurant basis. If there's an app that allows centralized management, I think the process could be more efficient.
With Ecobin, we give both households and vendors a simple way to turn waste into value, both protecting our environment and preserving the culture we love.
Together, let's collect, classify, and convert. Thank you.